And that's what really makes dreams come true. Like, we can have the idea, we can have the vision, but it doesn't come true until you take those action steps. Hey beautiful souls, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bree, and in today's video we are going to talk about a few style tweaks that you can do to improve your personal life and your professional life. Yes, I know I said your style and how it can change a lot of things, but that's because it can build your confidence, opportunities that come your way, and also just the overall vision and path that you see for yourself. So let's dive in. Okay, first, so let's talk about style tweaks. Now, this isn't something that's totally dramatic, as if you're like changing your whole wardrobe or getting rid of everything that's in your closet and starting over. No, we're not saying that. What we're saying is we want to make conscious decisions on what we keep and what we don't keep, and the items that resonate with the path that you have for yourself or the goals that you may have for yourself, how you feel, and how you also want people to respect you or whatever brand, or if you're an executive person or if you're an entrepreneur, you want people to see you that way. So yes, you may feel that way, but just think about it and maybe look through some of your old photos or look through your closet and see, does your style image reflect how you feel or where you see yourself going? These style tweaks can be something as simple as maybe you have a dress or a jacket in your closet and you just need it tailored. You can have some items in your closet that maybe just don't fit well. Maybe they're a little bit too big, or maybe they can get taken in a few areas to really complement your shape. Having a tailor on hand is one of the best things you can ever have. And I promise you that, as being a stylist for over a decade, having a tailor that can tailor items to your body can make a $20 Zara jacket look like a $500 like luxury jacket. You want someone that can actually see a garment on you, fit it to your body, and it will literally change a look. You can also incorporate certain colors that resonate with your vision and your style or the mood that you have for your business. So if you have a business where you're very nurturing and you're servicing women, or you're helping other people, maybe you want some neutral tones, maybe you want something that's more inviting. If you have like a very high-end company that you're working with, or you're an executive, maybe you want some more bold colors, or maybe some blacks, you know, the luxury of it all. Maybe you want to do some colors like that. So I will actually leave a color chart down in the description so you guys can get an idea of colors and what they actually represent, especially when it comes to your business. And then also maybe you have a signature look that you want, and maybe that's just an accessory like a hat, and people recognize or notice you for your hats. Like, if you can think about, remember Pharrell used to wear those really tall hats, and now whenever we see it, we're like, oh, that's that Pharrell hat. Or we know a specific type of jewelry. We want someone to recognize us for our signature look. So it may not necessarily just be one style dress or one style suit that you always wear. Maybe it's an accessory that you wear that people really recognize you for. All right, now let's talk about rebranding your personal life. Now, this has to do with making sure that your style resonates with your ambitions, your goals. Rebranding your personal life is about making deliberate choices that resonate with your growth, your aspirations, and the values that you have. Rebranding is not just about the cosmetics of it all or the material things of it all, but also, like I always say, it's about here. You have to get clear on that first, whether that be journaling it out. Maybe you have an idea of, you know, a business idea, or you're an executive and you have a goal or a position that you see yourself in. You want to make sure that rebranding your personal life also aligns with what you see for yourself. Rebranding your personal life is more than about just style. It is about making sure that your inner, how you feel, and the goals that you have set for yourself all tie together. because it's going to exude outside of just the clothes. It's going to show how you represent yourself, the confidence that you have, and you want to be remembered. You want people to remember you not just for what you have on, but how you make them feel, because that is what's going to stick to them, not just the outfit. You know, yes, the outfit can have a huge part of it all, but you want to make sure that your rebranding of your life and your style align together, because that is what's going to leave an impactful memory to those that you meet and encounter, especially in life and in business. You want to be remembered and respected, and you want people to recognize that no matter what room you walk in. Now, if you're not sure on what that is and you need more clarity on what that is, I always tell people to journal. Journaling is one of the best things that will help you. Or if you need some advice or you need some guidance, there's always different tools and platforms that you can use. I also do have a Style Your Life program where we go through all the steps on how to do that if you're interested. All right, now let's talk about embracing your authenticity. You are one of a kind. Your style is one of a kind. How you make people feel is also one of a kind. So you want to make sure that you stay true to that. It's so easy to find things on social media or scroll across a profile, maybe even see something on TV and want to try it out. But make sure that it's true to you. And the reason why is because the consistency of the look. You want to be remembered and rebrand your lifestyle, style tweaks that people remember. And if you're trying all these different things and they don't really resonate with you, you're going to be looking like all over the place, or you're going to have this look for this and people are not going to remember you for your signature style. So what is that for you? Now, I'm not saying that you have to wear the same outfit over and over again or the same style piece over and over again, but you want to have the same silhouette. You want to be remembered for your unique style. So I'll use an example. Let's say June Ambrose. If you don't know who that is, it's a very well-known celebrity stylist. She has a very unique style, and it's very artistic, and it's very colorful, and it's so many different shapes and things that she uses and to incorporate in her overall style. Now, it's never always the same. However, if you look through some of her photos, you will get a feel of it all being consistent and true to who she is. And that's why you remember her. So I want you to just think about what that looks like for you. Don't change for anybody else. Just make sure you feel comfortable in it, because that's going to be what sticks, and you want to be consistent in that. Now, of course, as your goals change, as you grow, your style is also going to change too. So as you're in this season, just think about what that looks like for you. Maybe you want to try some new looks, try to incorporate that in what you already have, or maybe just see if you can put a mood board together and put some looks that you feel are best for you before you go shopping or trying all these different things. And just remember that when you align your external with your internal, you're going to leave such a powerful message and remembrance of people who encounter your energy. And then let's consider the ripple effect of just one small tweak. Now, I mean, you can use this not even just in your style, but just think about when something good is going. There's like a ripple effect of boom, boom, boom. More and more things start to happen. More and more things feel good and start flowing into your life. It's the same thing once you are doing your style tweak. It's going to give you a boost of confidence. It's going to make you feel good. It's going to maybe even boost off into other people. They're going to see it and want some of that energy, whether you have a styling business or you're an executive or an entrepreneur. People are going to feel and see the energy that you have of your confidence and want to be a part of that or want to learn from you. It's really just going to open so many more doors for you than you can even imagine. And I know that this may seem like just something small, but you really want to take an account of what that really is and how it'll make you feel. Because when you're feeling good, it's like you just want to share that with other people. I think that is what's going to draw more and more people to you. Also, when you're feeling good, like you take more action. Like it's kind of like if your hair is not done, you don't really feel like going out. Or if you don't feel like your outfit is up to par, you just aren't really feeling it. But when you feel good and confident in yourself, you take more action towards the things that you really want to do. Maybe you didn't want to do anything because your hair wasn't done, you didn't want to film. That's me sometimes. And I have to be like, you know what? let me pull this hair back into a ponytail and get in front of this camera. Or if my hair is done, I just feel like, okay, boom, I'm ready to film. And it's not so much of a hassle of like trying to up my energy to get in front of the camera. So it's the same thing with you as you're rebranding your style, you're tweaking your life. It's going to give you that confidence to just take more action. And that's what really makes dreams come true. Like, we can have the idea, we can have the vision, but it doesn't come true until you take those action steps. So I really want to encourage you guys to do this because I know that these are things that have helped so many people. It's helped me, and I hope that it helps you too. So just to sum it up, I want you to really understand the importance of just a few small tweaks. Now, like I said, that could be something as small as tailoring an item, that could be changing a color, that can be finding a signature accessory. These small tweaks that you do to enhance your style are going to have such an overall impact in your life. It's really just about feeling good and feeling true to yourself. All these things that'll give you a boost of confidence, all these things that'll give you a boost in the right direction towards the things that you want to do so that you can break out of your shell if you may be in one. That's what we're trying to do here. So if you are intrigued by how you can use style to transform your personal life or professional life, or maybe you even want to help others do the same thing, I encourage you to check out the links below. I have a program called the Style Your Life program where we tap into everything from how you feel, setting your goals, to revamping and rebranding your overall style. Let's embark on this journey together and bring your dreams to reality. Let's reflect on your dreams. Let's set some goals. Let's set some intentions, and let's take some actions together. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give me a like and also subscribe. Share this information with someone that you feel maybe needs a Style Your Life session, or someone that's also looking to revamp or rebrand their personal and professional life. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.